Hello traders, I welcome you back to our channel. This is the Learn and Help channel. My name is FX Ninja. Today I'm happy to be making this video right now because I'm about to show you a very proven method, a very proven means to trade profitably. Many traders today are having issues or are having challenges making profit from the market because they are trading against the trend, because they are trading without a purpose. Now today I'm about to show you how to trade with the trend and how to trade with the purpose. Today I'm about to show you how to always be on the profit side, okay, how to see the market in a new direction. Now first off, I'm going to be showing you something very important. This is Boom 1000, one of the most traded assets on Deriv. And this video we are going to be doing it on boom and crash right now, but our next video will be on the volatility indices. So quickly, this is the 15-minute time frame of Boom 1000, and I want to quickly show you something very important. Now the first thing I want to show you is market structure. Now I'm not here to bug you or to bother you about what market structure is, but I just want to tell you a way that you can quickly manipulate your way or maneuver your way to making profit from the market without having much hassle. And again, another thing I'm going to be showing you today is that I'm going to be introducing to you a very important, a high probability system that can help you to spot the trend of the market and also when to enter the market without getting caught in your stop loss. So make sure you pay attention to this video and you watch this video to the end so that you can get every nitty-gritty I'm about to introduce to you today. So now the first thing I'm going to be introducing to you is this. Look at what we have before us. This is 1000. We can use any asset. We can use 500. We can use any of these assets, but let's look at Boom 1000 for example as a start. Okay, right now if you look at this, what is happening here, this is Boom 1000. Okay, currently we have a break of structure here. All right, okay, another thing, if you see, let's look at the previous thing. We have a break of structure over here. You can see that. Another thing I want you to observe is that over here we have a break. If you don't know what break of structure is, you can quickly go on YouTube and search for break of structure. You're going to see how to trade using the break of structure. So this is another one over here, and this is another one over here. Now one thing about trading now is that each time a structure is broken upward or downward like this, the market is coming back to retest. It's coming back to retest that structure. So we have them over and over again. Look at here, over here too. Okay, the market went down, but it's still coming back to retest this structure over here. All right, so that's one sweet thing people don't notice. Over here too, we have a break of structure over here. Okay, the truth is the market is still coming back after breaking it to come and retest. You see the retest of this one. Look at this one. The market took time, but still later come and do what? Come and retest this place. Did you see that? For this, you can see the market broke up, come back to retest a particular area here before going up. Look at, for this one, the market broke up here, okay, came back to retest and continue. So this is how it goes on and on and on. Like this one that is going up now, the market is still coming back to retest. How sweet is that? Now this one that is going back now is because of this breakout that is here, because the market broke this structure here. That is why the market is going back again to retest a particular place in the market. Now once the retest is being done, then how do we enter to make sure that we continue and make profit, just like here, also like this place when the market retested, and all those places that the market has retested? How do we know that the market has retested? Now look at something now. Look at this very last one, for example. There was a break of structure here. Okay, there was a break of structure here, over here. Okay, the market was broke down and came back to retest over here. Now the simple thing we are going to grab is our Fibonacci tool. Very important. Use your Fibonacci tool, place it on the last swing high, come down to that last swing low and extend it to see what happens. What happens? The market hits the 50% Fibonacci level and dropped down. As simple as that. But majorly you are not going to use this swing high. You are going to be using this because this is the last swing high here. So you are going to be using it, and you are going to make sure that price touch the 61.8 before you sell. You are going to make sure price touches what? The 61.8 before you sell boom 1000. So in this case now, your stop loss is going to be here, behind this 0.79. That's where your stop loss is going to be. Okay, your stop loss is going to be around here, because if price should break this 0.79, that means the trend is changing. So right now this market came back here, tested the 61.8 and dropped down. Okay, now let's clear the chart. Now if you look at it very well, let's draw this again so that it will be clearer. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be using this last swing high over here, not this. Okay, so in case you don't know about how to draw Fibonacci, you can quickly check it up on YouTube. And again, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification bell, because we are going to be doing as many videos as possible right now, so that you can get equipped about how to trade boom and crash. All right, so now it's tested this place and it went down. So very importantly, let's look at another one. Let's look at another one. We said there was a break of structure where, again, there was a break of structure here. Let's take the sales, for example. There was a break of structure here. Look at what happened. It took the market some days to come back and retest that break of structure. For every break of structure, the market will also always come back. So this makes it our break of structure, our number 2 example right now. Over here, you see the market came to 0.79, and what happened? It went back down, and this is where your stop loss will be. Like I said, your stop loss will be around here. You take your profit around this place. You can see a trade was being taken here. You take your profit and you go down here. This is where your stop loss, your take profit will be the last support, as the case may be. But majorly, if we want to trade this with our tool, because I'm going to be introducing a very powerful tool to you right now. If you are going to trade this with our tool, we will have gotten a signal here telling us that the market is going to sell. So if we got the signal over here, our take profit will not be here. Our take profit will be the size of this Fibonacci. Yes, it will be the size of this Fibonacci, and let's say we got a signal around this place. So around this candle, our take profit will be, oh my god, our take profit will be around here, which means boom 1000 is still selling. Boom 1000 is still selling. We are still going to be holding boom 1000 to sell down to this point. That is how this works. Okay, in case we don't want to target this place, we can easily target this place. That means our TP1 has been taken. Okay, our TP1 has been taken, and we can easily wait for our TP2. Okay, let's look at another example quickly. We can use this system to buy or sell. Let's look at the buy option right now. So we can see that there was a break of structure over here too. Okay, the structure was being broken up, and I told you that it's going to be retested. So in this case now, this is the neckline over here. There is a neckline over there. So it's the neckline that we are going to grab, and we are going to use it to draw our Fibonacci. Look at what happened over here. Market came down to our 0.79, and what happened? The market went back up. And like I told you, I said the size of this Fibonacci will be the size of our take profit. So that means our take profit will be, if we have gotten a signal from here, our take profit will be around this place. Okay, our take profit will be around this place, which was easily taken. So our stop loss will be here. It will never be hit, because this strategy I'm showing you is very, very powerful. Let's look at another buy option. Let's look at the first thing we are going to look at is a break of structure, and you can see there was a break of structure here, over here, but the retest does not meet up. The retest did not come back to our Fibonacci level. You can see it over here. Okay, you can see it from over here, this last swing low, sorry. You can see it did not come into our Fibonacci level, so it's not an option at all. So let me quickly look for another buy opportunity. Okay, look at this over here. structure was broken. Okay, so it was broken up, market came back to retest here. So we'll have drawn our Fibonacci from here down here. Okay, look at it, market came down to our 0.79, and of course the system will have given us, I think our stop loss was being hit here, the system will have given us a buy option here. We will have bought up to this point, so it is very safe to take our profit here when buying, but when selling we can take our profit as high as much as possible. So that is what happened over there. So now there is a system that can help you to know to trade alongside with the trend. Number one, it can help you also to know when exactly to enter, especially at those critical position points right now. So I have shown you there is a point of entry here, there is another point of entry here. There are points of entries so many places, but you will not know because you don't have the powerful tool. So right now I'm going to be introducing you to that tool. Let me quickly put it up right now. Okay, so I'm going to be introducing you to that tool that will help you to know where to take your profit. It will help you to know where the market will be selling. You can see, did you see that? Did you see that signal over here? Did you see that signal over here? I told you that a signal is going to pop up, okay, in that direction, telling you to buy or sell. You can see that. You can see this other one too. I told you about this. You see this also when you draw your Fibonacci from here. Okay, you know this. You remember this break of structure over here? The market came back to retest. You have your the signal here. You are not going to take this signal because you are waiting for the market to go behind 61.8 before you take signal. Any signal you are going to take at all must be behind what? The arrow must be behind the 61.8. okay, the arrow must be behind the 61.8. look at this also. Yes, okay, this was okay. You are going to be this one. For this one you are going to be drawing the Fibonacci from here. Like I said, you can see the arrow is behind. Market has touched 61.8. market have to touch 61.8. see, this system can be used on any time frame. Can be used on 1 minute, can be used on 1 hour. Let's see it on 1 hour. You see there will be a signal. We took that signal on 1 hour on our channel. You can see that very powerful signal over here. See that signal over here telling us to sell. So, and if you look at this system very well, let me show you on the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you something you need to see very well. There is a tool there that shows you the where market will be returning and where market will be stopping, the turning point of the market. It shows you the other blocks, of the market. It shows you so many things, informations that you're supposed to know about the market. Now, if you get this system, we have created, number one, we have created a course, or let me say a tutorial, that is going to be sent to you to further tell you about this system. Another thing is that there is an open group on Telegram right now that we have created, that anyone that has the system, they will be talking there, and you have to we can be talking about the system. Whenever there is a trade opportunity, we can say it over we can talk about it over there. Another beautiful thing is that you don't need to be on your system, you don't need to be on your PC all the time before you can use the system. This system, you need to, it will be sending a push alert to your phone. It will be sending a push alert to your phone, so you don't really need to be on the system all the time. You don't need to be on the system all the time. All you need to do is have your phone, Android phone, handy with you, and wherever you go, you get signals on the go. You can see, well, what this is telling you is telling you if you are selling here, you can take your profit here with this line. Okay, this is telling you if you are buying here, you can take your profit here. So this is showing you the take and profit thing. Okay, let's try and look at another. This is boom. Let's look at crash. Let's look at like crash 500, for example. Let's look at crash 500. All right, please, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead right now and do so. And like I told you, from the boom 1000, before we go to crash, let's look at boom 1000. you are going to trade in line with the trend. So you are not just following the arrow, you are following the arrow with what? With the trend, like what we have here. You are following the arrow with this trend over here. This one is telling you it's a sell. Okay, you are following the arrow with the trend over here. You can see this one too. You are following with the trend, even though this one does not appear on the magnet that is forming down, but you will already know that it is a retest of this current breakout. You will already know, so you have no fear taking that trade. Okay, so now let's look at it on crash. On crash 500. This system can be used on any of the Deriv assets. I'm going to be showing you on, it can be used on volatility, it can be used on crashes. You can see as many assets that we have on Deriv. It can be used on any one of them, and I'm going to be showing you we are going to be doing more videos about other volatility indices too, and how you can use this system on them. So this system can be used also to trade the crash. Okay, look at what happened here. Look at this signal over here. Okay, look at what happened. Don't forget, there is a breakout structure over here. This structure was broken down. It is coming back to retest, and that is when you have this signal there. Okay, that's when you have this signal there. Let me make this to be a little bit bolder. Okay, look at what we have here. This is very sweet, guys. This is very sweet, guys. Look at what we have. Okay, we have a signal over here telling us to sell. What happened? Price sold massively, market sold massively. Okay, and like I told you, it's our take profit is going to be the size of this very Fibonacci. Remember, this is crash, we are selling. Look at what happened. Look at what happened. Look at our take profit over there. So, and going forward, you can see another one. I just saw another one right now. There is a breakout structure here. Okay, definitely price will still come back to retest. It might not get up to this point, but it will still come back to retest. So if you are measuring your Fibonacci from here, oh sorry, that's not Fibonacci. Okay, from here, okay, from this neckline down here, oh my god, you can see price came into your what? Price came into the 61.8, and we have a signal there, and you can see after this candlestick we sold down here. Okay, that is it. So now another one currently going on right now, very important, is this. There is a breakout structure here. Okay, there is a breakout structure. Definitely, like we have been taught, price will come back to retest that structure. Okay, so once it come back to retest the structure, we buy. So let's see what happened. But for it coming back to retest that structure must be at our point of interest. And where is our point of interest? The 61.8. So if you draw our Fibonacci from here down to this place, and we extend it, you can see over here this signal did not, price has not hit our 61.8. Definitely we are not taking this signal. Okay, if you look here, very very good, price hit what? It hit our 0.79, and we have a signal. What happened? This, don't forget, this is a 15-minute time frame. We buy crash here, and we buy. Once we are buying, here is our take profit. Our take profit is still over here. Yes, because it's still going to buy. All these crashes is just a retracement. So because we are still going to get another signal, another entry over there. So what we are just going to do is simple. We put our stop loss behind here, over here. Okay, now next thing we are going to do is measure this. You measure this size of this Fibonacci. You got the signal around here, so definitely our take profits be here. Look at the size of your take profit and look at the size of your stop loss. Your stop loss is from here down here, and your take profit is from here down here. Look at that margin. So even if you have a trade, if you trade 5 times and you lose 2 times, of course you are in profit. But be that as it may, you hardly lose on this kind of trade, because number one, you are trading with the trend. Number two, you are trading with market structure. So we are not going to lose. We are still going to get another signal around here for this buy, we're going to get another signal that will push crash 500 up to those points. So crash 500 is a buy, today being the 29th of August, so it's still a buy. Okay, now so that is how this system works. Let me give you a flash on other. We traded volatility 25x today in our trading room. We traded volatility 25x today, and it gave us a very massive profit. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that right now. I'm going to be posting that in our Telegram channel right now, and you're going to see it. So we posted it today, and we traded it today, sorry, and it gave us a very nice profit. Look at it over here. Look at it over here. This is the signal on the, you can see it. This is a signal, and it gave us a very, very good, nice profit. So if we draw a Fibonacci from here, going down to this side of the market, you can see we have a signal inside our 0.61.8. We took that signal, and you can see we are in profit. But because this is is a resistance zone, so we have to be careful. Our surplus was very small, our take profit was very small, so but it gave us a very good and nice profit. Of course, it's still a buy trend, because we are going to be getting another signal here that will be correlating with what the MACD is doing here. Okay, to be correlating with it, and of course you can surely buy your way down up. You can see we still have a lot of blocks to break on volatility 25x. So but that is not what we're doing today. What we are actually focusing on is the boom and crash. You can see it on crash 300 too. It's very profitable, very profitable, guys. See, we have been buying crash 300 anyway. We have been buying crash 300. Part of the result was the one we shared in our Telegram channel. So in case you are not in our Telegram channel, what we want to do is to go to the description of this video you are watching right now. You will see the link to our Telegram channel there. So in case you need the system, just go into our Telegram channel, contact the admin, and you will know how to get the system. Look at what we have here on the crash 300. Is the break of structure over here. Okay, you take your Fibonacci from where the structure was being broken. Okay, down here, down over here. Okay, you extend it a little, then price has hit our 61.8. we got a buy signal, and of course you can see we are going to be taking our profits. The size, the exact size of this Fibonacci. So you can see from here down here, that is our take profit. We take our profit over there. You can see our take profit was hit. Look at another one, another opportunity here. Okay, it was being broken here. It was being broken here. Price came back to retest. Oh my God. You see that? You see how that is going. So that is it, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you like this video, and also join our Telegram channel. Till we come your way again, I'm your FX Ninja. Bye for now.